Welcome to an inspiring episode where we delve into the fascinating realm of AI for cultural heritage preservation and restoration. In this episode, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the field of cultural heritage conservation, enabling us to protect and restore the treasures of our past for future generations to enjoy. Cultural heritage preservation is essential for safeguarding our shared history, identity, and cultural legacy. However, many historical artifacts, monuments, and sites are at risk due to natural disasters, environmental degradation, urbanization, and human activities. In recent years, AI has emerged as a powerful tool for addressing these challenges and preserving our cultural heritage for posterity. One of the key applications of AI in cultural heritage preservation is digital documentation and reconstruction. Through advanced imaging technologies such as 3D scanning, photogrammetry, and LiDAR, light detection and ranging, AI algorithms can create high-resolution digital models of historical artifacts, buildings, and archaeological sites with unprecedented accuracy and detail. These digital replicas serve as invaluable records of our cultural heritage, enabling researchers, conservationists, and historians to study, analyze, and preserve these treasures for future generations. Moreover, AI-powered image analysis and recognition algorithms can help identify and catalog historical artifacts, artworks, and architectural elements more efficiently and accurately than ever before. By analyzing vast collections of images and metadata, AI can classify, annotate, and index cultural artifacts, enabling museums, archives, and cultural institutions to manage their collections more effectively and make them more accessible to the public. In addition to documentation and cataloging, AI is also being used to aid in the restoration and conservation of cultural heritage sites and artifacts. By analyzing historical data, archaeological evidence, and material science research, AI algorithms can assist conservationists and restoration experts in making informed decisions about the treatment and preservation of cultural artifacts. For example, AI-powered predictive modeling can simulate the effects of environmental factors, aging processes, and conservation treatments on cultural materials, helping conservationists devise optimal preservation strategies. Furthermore, AI-driven image processing techniques such as image inpainting and super-resolution can be used to digitally restore damaged or deteriorated cultural artifacts, paintings, and photographs. By analyzing the visual characteristics of historical artworks and applying machine learning algorithms, AI can reconstruct missing or damaged parts of an image, enabling conservators to digitally restore priceless works of art to their original glory. The potential applications of AI for cultural heritage preservation and restoration are vast and diverse, spanning various domains such as archaeology, art conservation, architecture, and museum curation. By harnessing the power of AI, we can unlock new possibilities for protecting, documenting, and celebrating our cultural heritage, ensuring that future generations can continue to learn from and appreciate the rich tapestry of human history. However, the use of AI in cultural heritage preservation also raises important ethical, legal, and social considerations. As we embrace AI technologies to safeguard our cultural heritage, it's essential to address issues such as data privacy, intellectual property rights, and community engagement to ensure that our efforts are respectful, inclusive, and sustainable. In conclusion, AI for cultural heritage preservation and restoration represents a promising frontier in the ongoing quest to protect and celebrate our shared cultural legacy. By combining cutting-edge technology with interdisciplinary collaboration and a deep respect for cultural diversity, we can ensure that our cultural heritage continues to inspire and enrich future generations for centuries to come. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey into the world of AI for cultural heritage preservation and restoration. As we explore the intersection of technology, art, and history, let's remain committed to preserving and celebrating the treasures of our past, present, and future.